Did you know that MDOT MVA is now scheduling appointments to get your driver's license or ID card? If you make an appointment, you are guaranteed to be seen within 15 minutes of your scheduled appointment time. To make an appointment online, either use the Book Now button on our Facebook page or navigate to our website's Real ID page, located at www.mva.maryland.gov/realid. If navigating from the home page, click the blue Real ID box, look for the yellow icon, and then click Collect My Real ID Documents and make an appointment. Once you are at our online document guide, use the drop-down menu to select Present Real ID Documents. Next, you will be asked to determine which documents to bring for your appointment. First, select one proof of age and identity from the list of options. If you are selecting birth certificate, make sure it reads Certificate of Live Birth and has a raised seal. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the green box to proceed. Then select one proof of Social Security, scroll down to the bottom of the page to proceed, and finally select two proof of residency documents. Once you've selected all your documents, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click to create your list. Here you will be able to print out your document checklist and schedule an appointment. This will open in a separate window. Make sure to note that if you ever need to reschedule or cancel your appointment, you can do so by clicking Manage Scheduled Appointment. Next, you will enter in your personal information. Make sure to enter your email address to receive a confirmation email. Next, select a county. You will be shown the next available appointment for the branches in that county. After selecting your branch, you will be able to select your appointment time and press Continue. Next, just click Confirm and Register, and you're ready to go. MDOT MVA will even call you with an appointment reminder the day before your scheduled appointment. When you arrive at MVA for your appointment, look for the appointment line to get checked in. Don't wait in the normal information line. All appointments are guaranteed to be seen within 15 minutes. As always, we look forward to providing you with premier customer service.